it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout. And I was inspired to use a doily. I was doing the Calvin Ball challenge, which happens in March on the Scrap Happy website. That's who it's sponsored by now, with Alice Bowl. And one of the things that you got points for, kind of a long explanation. I've talked about this before, but anyway, one of the things was the a doily, and then the other thing were film strips. And I knew I had this paper from Chamel left, and I've used it only in cut up pieces, and I thought, oh my gosh, that would be perfect for this layout. This layout is called A Movie! Exclamation point, because it was the first movie that I had been to since all the COVID shutdown. So my boyfriend and I went to a movie. The COVID was a little hot in our area, actually so hot that there were more cases per day than there were during kind of the worst of it in 2020. But we went to a movie and were able to sit way, way far apart. I mean, we've had to yell to the nearest person, so I felt pretty good about that. So the film strip paper is Chamel True Stories. It's the short bread paper, and then that pink paper is Chamel Sparkle City Life is Sweet. The doily there is from Sunny Side Up Bakery, which is Hobby Lobby's sort of cake what do I want to say, cake section. Cake decorating section. That's what I wanted. Then I have that camera and the banner there. Those are cut aparts from the Chamel Sparkle City Stay Super paper, and I liked the camera because we are taking a selfie, but also because it's a movie, so kind of the association with camera there. I have that other little tag banner there, and that came from the cut apart as well from Stay Super. So I'm balancing the bright pink of the camera with that. I have that big sparkle puffy sticker, and I believe that is from Sparkle City as well. Then took that off, didn't love it. Tried that Today is the Best Ever, because there were points for best day ever kind of a thing, but it's throwing everything off balance on that left side. Playing with that sticker there, that hello sticker from the Glitter Girl 6x12 stickers. And you can't see that because it's all kind of off on my left there. Trying to decide what else I'm going to add in here. I find this camera piece, which matches the other camera, and that is really it's like a washi sticker there. Again, I really want to put that on there, but it's just not working. It's just too much. It's throwing the balance off. The other thing I think it's doing is that it's competing with the photograph. The photograph is so dark. I really want that to stand out and be the only dark element so that your eyes go right to it. I understand that the pink and purple of the camera is that, but it's still not as dark as the background. If I'd gone with navy, that would have been. So that love sticker there came from the Glitter Girl 6x12 stickers, and then the flowers here are coming from the Glitter Girl sticker book. And that banner at the top, I know I want to cover that bird. That's why I'm kind of playing around here a little bit with things. So I went to my flare. I haven't used flare in an age. So this flare that I'm looking at is from a flare for buttons. I'm going to play around with where these go just a little bit and what I'm using. But that's all these are flare for buttons, which I'm trying to remember if that's on, I think it's on Etsy that you can get. I'm pretty sure it is from Etsy. And flare, F-L-A-I-R. In other words, a panache. That didn't help you, did it? Anyway, so adding those in, I decided that camera was not going to work. Well, actually, sorry, I didn't decide that yet. I'm still playing with the camera. I'm not loving it though, because I'm covering up so much of it. It just doesn't feel right to me. I am inking edges, by the way, here with my Memento Dewdrop in gray flannel. So I decided to get rid of the camera there. Nope, not yet. I've given this away like toys already, right? I'm playing with that camera to see if I can make it fit. And really, honestly, it looks okay, but I think I didn't like it. There was so much of that pink up there. I don't know. There was something about it I just wasn't fond of. So there we go. That banner really needed to be inked because it's very, very close to that background paper. But I also liked that because even though there's that going to be journaling there, it's keeping the focus on the photo here, but you know, everything else is kind of taking on a supporting role. All right, so there's the flare down, and then I'm kind of looking for other stickers, and so I decided to use some floral stickers. So then I find that red floral sticker, and I really like that, and it brings out the red. There's red in that big camera cut apart, so I love how that happened. And then, you know, the purple in the flower there is working with that as well too, is some of the colors from that camera are now being picked up in the embellishments. Added the two little stickers above the heart on the left of my boyfriend's head there. And then I'm using these tile letter stickers there from the Glitter Girl sticker book. So glad that I was able to do that. I need to flat out just take these out and put them into where my other stickers sit. Just because I think I'd use them more. I forget they're there, and she has some great, you know, purples and pinks and navies in those sticker books. So that's a little reminder to myself I need to do that. Playing around with, there's a sticker there from the sticker book that says, I believe in magic. And it felt like magic going to the movies here. We went to see West Side Story. It was hard. There weren't a lot of movies out this year, but we did go see that particular one, and I think this is it's in October. And then here's the love phrase sticker, and again in the red, just pulling in some red. So even though the clusters are different, I'm working with some of the same colors within each of the cluster. And then last but not least here, I'm thinking I want to add in some enamel dots, and I'm playing around with using white here first. But I ended up changing it to the stars, which are from the Altenew Sea Shine pack. Can't talk. There's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.